What is good? What is good? What is good? Kingsley Joshua, Trey Lord himself, coming to you live. What's popping, guys? What's popping? Um, let's get into things, right? So we have GBP USD. I'm just catching up to the market right now. I set up some things on the charts, but I'm just in the middle of it right now. Count currently. Check this shit out, right? This should have been an easy play on USD CAD. You know what? Let me start there, right? On USD CAD, man. Should have been out of this trade. Hold up. We took a L somewhere. Hold on. That's positions. So, okay, we lost that. Euro USG. All right, we gotta go scratch this one. We gotta go here. We gotta see what's up here. Ah, see? Market just did some bullshit on us. So it stopped out. This downtrend is superior, right? So we have that now. This gets deleted. And then we continue on from that point. Boom. Boom. So if this thing comes down before coming up to here, then it would be valid to take for this one. But yeah, we just lost that $100 right there. That's new to me. And now this thing, we were supposed to be in $100 profit, right? USD CAD. Now on this chart, let me go to USD CAD for a second because things are crazy right now. USD CAD, right? Now on my Sway Markets charts thing, I posted on my Instagram, so you can go check my Instagram. But it would have hit my TP on the Sway Charts account, but here on I see on Trading View, it didn't come down as it did on the MetaTrader 4 on my phone. That chart, it showed it that it just this candle right here wicked out all the way to here. But yeah, just didn't get that TP. Like I said, entry was right here. Traveled all the way so close to TP, and then went right back up against us near the stop loss, right? Insane. But yeah, we're risking 200 to make $100 on this trade. But we're gonna see what we get. We're gonna see what we get. Unfortunate events, man. But this should be that was a valid loss on Euro USD. I mean Euro JPY. Valid loss indeed. And AUD USD, we're actually looking for a trade too as well. I'm just waiting for this pullback to the 23.6 level, and this will activate for me to, then I can put my buy limit order here, and my stop loss here, and my TP somewhere around here. Because we had this solid win right here. We had mini win, big win, after big wins. And plus the last big win was over here. And yeah, we just been chilling, going back and forth. So I'm waiting for my pattern. Big win, small win, small win. So let's see if we get it here. We'll wait and see what we get there. Let's fix this up on GBP USD. We was to take this trade the right way, right? Risk was up here, TP was down here. You're risking less than what you're willing to make. So right, so that didn't take place. Didn't hit my entry at all. Came up, hit this point, and then with that being said, we delete that, and then we pull this to the side. This is how you clean up. You delete the fib. You go to the 4 hour. I want to match up exactly what's going on in the 4 hour. 4 hour, we broke structure here. So we're up structure on the 4 hour, right? Actually, I'll keep that. Yeah, we're up structure here on the 4 hour. And we just gotta wait for breaker structure. And then all will be aligned, right? So right now, 4 hours in up structure, right? With 4 hour being an up structure, you got the daily and up structure. You got the weekly in down structure and the monthly in down structure. So you have down, down, up, and up, right? So I need a 4 hour to break structure, and then that will go with the weekly and the monthly, right? Crossing out the daily, we're saying fuck you to the daily. We got three, out of the four horsemen aligning. So as soon as that 4 hour structure breaks, I'll go right to the 1 hour chart, and then I'll look for the last two candle formation. There's, obviously it'll be in down structure, and I'll play that 23, and we're shooting down, right? We're not really shooting down. We're shooting down for this one because you are risking $50 to make $100. So we're looking to go with the proper side of the coin, strategy, right? But yeah, that's what's going on in GBP USD. We're just in up structure, waiting for 4 hour to break structure. USD CHF. This is a trade setup that is, we've been waiting for a long time, a couple hours as it plays down here. Then we finally found a point that wants to retrace to the 23. We get that retracement. Now we're valid to take our entry here, stop loss here, TP here. And we'll see what we get there. And then, of course, we have our alert here, just in case this thing comes to tag here before tagging us in. Obviously, if you're tagging before this thing hits, that'll be a good sign, because that means we tagged in, and then it came right back up to here, hitting our TP by default. So yeah, that's the most ideal thing, but that doesn't happen often. So we're gonna see what we get. But yeah, we're just looking to get this nice move. Let's see what we get. And that's also a pending order that we got going on right here. So we're gonna see what's up. Now this 4 hour, right? It's always stretched out, right? But I see this 4 hour coming to end that this 4 hour structure to come to be irrelevant for us. And as this makes a new low, right? We have a two candle formation here, and this will be the four. Remember, we're on the 4 hour chart, so this is the new low. Excuse me. Last two candle formation bullish. It was right here. to this candle. What to the right is the highest point. This would be the highest point to the right. Remember, that's the highest point to the right, and that'll be the new break of structure. But we just gotta wait till this thing pulls down. And then the chances are we getting a 4 hour break of structure a lot higher for this thing to pull back. Being we're still in the up structure on the weekly, right? From that perspective, still up structure on the weekly, um, and but daily is down structure, but up structure on the monthly too as well. So we're gonna see what we get here right now. Yeah, but anyway, it doesn't matter because we're chilling out. We have a chill out because we had our big win, and too many wins. So now we're chilling out. But this is a good sign for me to take it on my funded pips account where I do the 4 hour strategy. And as this makes a new 4 hour break of structure point, where that low, I can take that new pullback to the 50% entry, stop loss at the 0 point, and then TP at the 100%. Boom, break structure, easy play, and I'm out with profit. And I make back what I lost here doing that play right here because this market did not break structure. It did a continuation. It hit the 50%, but stopped me out right here. And I've just been waiting ever since, and that's why I have the fib out like this. So I'm really working 3 strategies at the same time, but like I'm really focusing for you guys to be on the Robin trap, right? And that doing that with this account right now that we're going through struggles, right? We're going through a little struggles, but we're gonna get back to the good stuff. We're gonna get back to the good stuff. You just gotta be patient. You gotta be patient. And the good stuff is coming. I can see it all set up with all this down structure movement. It's gonna have to pull back soon. Can't be going straight down all the time. That'd be straight easy for everybody. And the market doesn't do easy that often. I see the break of structure points, but we're just waiting for a 4 hour break of structure on GBP JPY right here. And then we'll risk that 200 to make 100 because we had 2 of these dubs right here. So yeah, we just waiting. We just waiting. And in some of these videos, you can hear me repeat myself like what I'm waiting for, because it's truly that's what trading is, man. You're just waiting for the right opportunity, and then market. I'm on trade on the higher time frame, so market moves slow on a higher time frame. So we have a break of structure on the weekly, break of structure on the daily here. So this is the new low. The month is still in up structure. This is the last 2 confirmations, so we did not break that. But the week was right here, so we broke structure. And the daily we broke structure. And now the 4 hour is here and down structure too as well. So we got all these three horsemen right here, ruling out the monthly, which is our 4th. So yeah, we're looking for downward movement. So since we got that break of structure, we're going on the 1 hour, and that's what's going on the 1 hour we're looking for. And we just got our pullback now. And this is a solid. As you can see, this is a big win that just happened that we lost. We lost this $100, right? So now I'm gonna go for that $100 back, risking 200 to make 100. And then the next following play, I'm gonna risk the same thing. So now that I got this, is another thing just education time. So we have our fib set up like this. This is the current, since this is the big win. This is the last candle that this the boom. As soon as that trade is finished, you catch right back up to the market. Right, this is the close, and then this next candle opens up here. We have already a pull back to the 38.2 level. Boom, this candle opens up, hits the 23. This is an active trade, right? Now we're gonna see if it's all stay active, right? So remember, this is not my entry. This is my measurement tool, right? My measurement tool. I'm using it as a measurement tool, and I'm measuring from the 23 to the negative 27, right? And that's why I posted up like that, right? So I get 67 pips, 0.4, right? So 67, 4, boom. It adds up to 1 to 1. Then I'll move this thing down here, right? This is exactly how I set up the Robin trap, right? I take my long position, right? And now remember, I set alert here, but we'd wait for that because we're clearly on the chart, so we can see if it goes up, right? The alert is really when we're off the chart. So we have our stop loss, and we want to match it up to the negative 78.6. Make sure the entry is matched up to the negative 0.27. And then I'll take my cursor and I'll come right up to here, a little below the 0 point. Boom. And then that's my TP. And now this is a valid setup. And now I'll do this. I'll put my cursor here. Remember, this is only if you have trading view. If you have trading view alerts. Hold on, let me do this. Delete that. What the fuck? Yeah. So I'll make my own. Boom. All right. So I'm gonna put here is stop out. Delete Robin trap. And I do the same thing, everything at the same thing all the time. Right? So this is the play on Euro JPY, right? And if this thing comes up to here, I'm deleting this. If this thing comes down to here, great. We're in it. We're gonna see what we get. But we're gonna be risking $200 to make $100 on this trade. So let's get it. So let's get this loss back right there. And this thing, we're gonna see what the outcome of there. But let's actually do this together, right? How much time we got? 18. All right, you have enough time to put in this trade together, right? I'll pause it so I can get everything set up. All right. So we have the setup here. Just put in the stop loss. I got to put in the TP. And we got proper stuff. Yeah. All right, cool. All right, so that's the setup right there. That's the trade, which is basically this thing right here, right? Just log it in. We log it in, and now we get it as orders. And here's the order right here. Boom. Right? So let's see what we get on that play as the market comes down here. All right. Remember, we're looking for boom, boom, boom. That's it. All right, guys. We're gonna see what these trades are gonna happen. We're gonna see what we get. But keep on following. video